Your business may track expenses and costs by means of individual projects, which QuickBooks calls jobs. A job is linked to a customer. In fact, at any time, if you have one customer and you're doing one particular job for them, you don't have to create a separate customer just to handle that job. The means to do it is right in the customer profile. I can click Customers from the home screen to access the center. I'll double-click on a particular customer, and there's the Job Info tab. From here, I can write down any details about that particular job. Now, I might need an additional job for that customer. Maybe they're a repeat customer or they have multiple jobs, and I want to keep the job items completely separate from each other. To do that, I'll click Cancel to get out of this, and I'll right-click on the customer instead. From here, select Add Job. There's going to be a new field at the top. It's called Job Name. Let's give this something that's identifiable to you for that project, such as Fundraising Gala. Now I can go into the Job Info section and put in all the details that are going to be completely separate and unique to this job. I can put in things that are meaningful to me, including the job description, the job type, whether it's commercial or residential, a status, for example, if it's pending, awarded, still in progress, or even closed, meaning the job is done. If, for whatever reason, the job is continuing for a while, I can select Job is inactive on the bottom left-hand side. To make it active again, you can change views in the customer list to show all of your customers and jobs and then make it active. Click OK, and the job is created. Here I can see the Bread Express restaurant and my Fundraising Gala job. The neat thing about it is that it tracks the job as an individual entity. The customer will continue to have this balance and any balance added to the jobs. But as any additional invoices are created just for this customer, it's not going to affect this job. This is great for tracking how much a particular job is making or costing you. You can even invoice jobs directly. I'll click the X to close out of the Customer Center, and let's go into an invoice. In the Customer Job field, here is where I can invoice something directly to that fundraising gala. I can choose it, and then pick some items directly for it. I'll click Save and Close. And now, if I go back into the Customer Center, I can see that the balance total has been added to that fundraising gala.